Kagahapon sa buntag, personal nga misumitir si Kanhi Negros Oriental Governor Pryde Henry Teves sa iyang Waiver of Confidentiality ngadto sa Provincial Prosecution Office sa Dumaguete Hall of Justice.
Andam niyang Atubangon ang kontrobersiya aron sa paglimpyo sa iyang pangan. Ani ang report ni Femery Dumabo.
Miabot si Pryde Henry sa Hall of Justice nga way kaubang abogado. Direkta ni ining gituno lang Waiver of Confidentiality sa duha ka staff sa Provincial Prosecution Office. Aron sila na ang mag-forward niini sa DOJ office. Apan, doon na sabsiyagi padala nga kopya sa DOJ office pinaagi sa courier.
Once they put their findings, the DOJ normally will try to verify, no? So I hope and pray that all of this information available can also help them verify the truth to the matter. Because if it's not verified, it's hearsay. But once it's verified, then it becomes, more or less more accurate. And that's what we want. More accurate information available to them so that they can really know who did what and who's to be charged or who's to be, brought to court.
We'll just wait for our head of office for her final instructions.
Mato di Pryde, doon na siya tulong adto sa upat ka mga bank accounts ug usara ang cellphone sukad pa siyang pagkamayor sa Bayawan City niadtong 2016. Nagkaistorya na usab sila sa ubang miyembro sa board sa HDJ Agri-Venture Corporation ug nagkasabot nga mohimo og resolusyon nga buksan ang unsa mang accounts nga gikinahanglan sa imbestigasyon sa DOJ.
If you say there's a conspiracy or whatever, una, there are people who should communicate. You cannot do an act together if you have no communication. Secondly, things like this need money, right? So there should be someone who will be funding it. That's why I'm sure they will get to the bottom of all this.
Samtang andam mo sa makig-estorya personal si Pryde Henry sa nailong pamilya ni Governor Roel Degamo kay wa lagi kuno siya kalabutan sa Degamo case.
But ito lang masasabi ko. I can look any one of their family straight in the eye and tell them straight that my conscience is clear. Even sa anak ng si Carlo, masasabi ko yan straight in their eyes. My conscience is clear, I have nothing to hide. That's why I'm opening everything up.
Samtang sugod nitong Lunes sa gabi, wala kuno mutawag kanila si Representative Kanhi Teves Jr.
But my father contacted me and my brothers yesterday, and he said he himself, is already bent on him coming home, and I assume my mother and my father talked to him already.
Uban ni Godfrey Rilien og Edward Tubilan, Femery Dumabok. GMA Regional TV Live.